Hi guys, today we're going to Hyperia construction number 3 update. So yeah, let's go.
We moved it so we could open up the sort of like the picnic area.
We are 52 metres at that point then, and our lift hill is 72 metres, so we're going 20 metres higher than that. Higher than that.
It is dwarfing. Yes.
So everybody keeps talking about the 72 metre lift. Now I think that's quite for some people that would be very exhilarating, wouldn't it? But to me it's
Proximity to soar as well, isn't
I see
Why does soar look like it's grown out into
I think the ride experience from Soar is going to be transformed as well, isn't it?
Yeah, they're going to hurt their necks turning to see what's going on.
You come back on yourself through the sort of near miss, and that's the bit as I'm standing here daily looking at it thinking did Angry Birds here as well, and Walking Dead and Darren Brown.
Walking Dead, one of Peter's favourites.
Yeah.
That is funny, isn't it? We just laugh all the way through. It's brilliant.
Yeah. Well, I've not experienced Darren Brown, or not Darren Brown now.
You go straight. Well, you're not going to now until March next year, are you? Unless you want to come and
Anticipation, eh?
We never made the Darren Brown one because
you didn't
Peter. No, Peter loves the new one. We've been on that a lot.
We tried to be a little bit too clever with the tech.
It was a
Oh, really?
First time round, you know. Slowing down, stepping through lines, etc. But a bit of a way to go there.
If you do have any questions, you know you can email me anytime.
What? We're going to nail this. And then all of a sudden it's a day per piece of track, because when you get up at that height, each petal's got
The gold bit.
we got lucky the frost hasn't hit yet. We get close and then the pipes will freeze and then the difference will fish. And now we've got every wide column that's sitting all up there. We've now got to go and build some timber shutters around it. Do that below a certain degree, or you've got to have electric magnetism to warm the ground as it's going to be protected. This morning on that, about a third party will come in and make sure when we pour it.
That's quite difficult to me. It's really difficult to me. Really.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for a next Hyperia video update. And yeah, bye bye.